Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the zipper playlist. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to sew a zipper inserted into a double welt or jetted placket. This style is often used as a centre front feature zipper and can also be found in sleeve plackets and pockets. It creates a beautifully clean, tailored finish. This technique might look complicated, but once you understand the structure, it becomes surprisingly simple. If this is your first time here, be sure to explore the other zipper tutorials in this series. Each video builds your skills step by step, whether you're new to sewing or simply refining your technique. Want to sew along? You'll find the free downloadable patterns linked in the description below. Let's get started. Print and cut out the pattern pieces. Glue the main pattern onto cards so you can cut out the placket opening. Cut 2 jets and 1 interfacing piece from fusible interfacing. Fuse the interfacing over the opening position on the wrong side of the main fabric. Press the jets in half lengthwise. For this sample, I've chosen to use the wrong side of the fabric for the jets to create a subtle contrast. Mark the placket opening on the right side of the main fabric and mark the centre of the opening. Pin the jets in place with the raw edges butting up to the centre line. Mark the bottom point of the openings through onto the jets. Sew down the centre of each jet, stopping exactly at the bottom marking. It's important that both stitch lines are the same length so the opening sits evenly. Cut open the placket by cutting down the centre line. Snip carefully into each corner, but be careful not to cut into the jets. Turn the jets through and sew across the bottom triangle to secure. Press the jets so they sit neatly and flat along the opening. You can use either a dress zipper or a metal zipper for this technique. For this sample, I'm using a standard dress zipper. Position the zipper underneath the opening, with the top stopper sitting 1.2 centimetres or a ½ inch down from the top edge. Pin the zipper securely in place. Attach the zipper foot with the hole on the left, or move the needle to the left if using one of these zipper feet. Edge stitch around the zipper to secure it neatly behind the placket. Trim the top of the zipper to ensure it's level. Trim the bottom of the zipper using pinking shears. Give the sample a final press. And that's it. You now have the skills to confidently insert a zipper into a double welt or jetted placket. If you followed along and made the sample, let me know in the comments how it went. Up next in the zipper playlist, we'll explore a double welt pocket with a zipper inserted. It looks very similar to the placket in this video, but this time it becomes a beautifully featured pocket. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.